Hi, in this video I will demonstrate how TabViewer app works. This is my website. I will leave link to description. To download the app, I'll double click on the load button here and wait until file will be downloaded. Then click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI, click on more info. This screen will appear because I am not registered publisher. You can see publisher unknown. I click run anyway, click on next, install, click on yes to start installation, click finish. I can close this, minimize this. You can see the new app will appear on my desktop. I'll double click to launch app. I'll click on S app. Now I can select input file to view it. I click on select input file. And I have a stat tab, and you can see it will be showing all data from this tab file. And also I can export into different format if I want, like Excel, Word, or web page, CSV, text, XML. And you can write to developer if you want. So basically that's it. I can select different file and view it, or I can specify like as viewer on for tab files when I double click on them. Yeah, basically that's it. Thank you.